Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you're going to stop notification pop-up into your Windows 10 or 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we have to come over this start icon, click on your right mouse button and go for settings. After coming on settings, you just need to search for notification over here. And here you will get the first option called notification and actions. Click on that and it will automatically redirect you to the notification center. Here you can see in my notifications it's turned off. If you turn it on, and here you can see you have got all notification from all of those apps. But most of the time you can see you won't get any kind of update notification from your Windows, or you won't get any of maintenance notifications from your Windows 2. So for that, I will recommend you to customize your notification that helps you to stop annoying notification pops up into your laptop. So I will going to turn off WhatsApp and going to turn off your battery add-on, Microsoft Store, Windows subsystem, setup is clear, Google Play Store, Brave, Google Chrome, Palo as the subsystem, set autoplay, and I will leave these settings on. So this is how you can customize your notifications and helps you to stop annoying notification pops up into your computer or your laptop. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I will see you to another video. Till then, goodbye.